Today I will be sharing with you guys how to do a curl former set on wet hair. As usual, I'll be starting out with deep conditioned towel dried hair. I'm going to make sure I put the pink ones on the right side and the orange ones on the left side so that my curls form away from my face. Then I will moisturize my hair and scalp with my DIY growth oil. I go ahead and divide my hair into 4 sections. Curl formers come with a hook that you'll assemble like this. Then you'll take the hook and thread it through the curl former. I work a little bit of setting lotion into the section. I give it a detangle with my dimming brush. I twist at the roots, attach the hook, and pull my hair through the curl former. And I'm just going to do this all over my head. Once you're finished installing the curl formers, feel free to sit up under the dryer or let your hair air dry overnight. I am back. Alright, so it's time to take down these curl formers. Time to take out the curl formers. It's time to take out the curl formers. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.